Thinking about stepping up to a comprehensive whole home backup system? Navigating strict local building codes or approvals can feel like a maze. The last thing you want is to get stuck on endless paperwork with local inspectors just trying to get your large system cleared. But what if your system already has the UL 9540 certification? In the second quarter of 2026, our CUBIX100 battery achieved UL 9540 certification for both DC and AC systems. In the residential energy storage sector, this represents the highest rated and most cost-effective option currently on the market. Let me walk you through what this certificate actually means and why it's directly tied to your wallet and safety. Have you considered any of these issues when installing an energy storage system? First, have you ever thought about what happens if after installing your energy storage system, the local inspection department tells you the product is non-compliant? Second, if an accidental fire occurs in your home storage system and the insurance company finds out that your installed equipment is not UL 9540 certified, will they deny your claim based on that? Third, when you're trying to qualify for local energy storage incentives or utility programs, what certifications do they actually look for? These all share a common thread. These are the universal safety requirements across North America, the societal standards for safe equipment operation, and ECO-WORTHY's quality commitment to you. So what exactly is UL 9540? Let me break it down for you. UL 9540 is the highest safety standard for energy storage systems in North America. Note, it doesn't just evaluate the battery itself, but the entire setup. CUBIX100 battery, plus 5 kilowatt inverter, plus battery cabinet. It tests the safety of the entire system in a real-world installation environment. What's even bigger is the safety standard. Part of the UL 9540 process requires a massive fire propagation test called UL 9540A. They literally trigger a thermal runaway to see if a fire will spread to the entire system or even burn the house down. That's UL 9540A, and the CUBIX100 cleared it with flying colors. I need to clear up a common confusion. Many manufacturers claim their products are UL 1973 certified. That's great, but it's not the certification you actually need. UL 1973 is a component level safety standard for the battery pack itself, proving the battery is safe as a standalone product. UL 9540, on the other hand, is a system level certification. It ensures the entire energy storage setup works safely together. Think of it this way. UL 1973 means the engine passed its quality check. UL 9540 means the entire car passed its road safety inspection. You might have a perfect engine, but without the proper chassis and body, that car isn't legally hitting the road. Let's break down the distinct features of CUBIX100 and the specific adaptations we implemented to make it a fortress of safety. Compared with the previous V3 model, the CUBIX100 has the exact same overall dimensions and specifications as the V3. This means it is fully covered by the existing UL 1973 and UL 9540A certifications, so your original installation plans and compliance certifications can be used seamlessly with no extra adjustments needed. Now let's check the core functional area on the front. First, the positive and negative terminals support the continuous current of 150 amperes, meeting high power application needs. The left side comes standard with a 125 ampere circuit breaker and shunt trip, providing dual safety protection for power use. We also added a new app remote shutoff feature. No need to be on site, just one click on your phone to disconnect the battery, making operation and maintenance much more convenient. The most important upgrade of the CUBIX100 is this RSD remote quick shutdown function. Take a look at this green 4-pin dry contact interface. The two leftmost contacts connect directly to RSD's accessories, enabling one-click remote shutdown in emergencies. Press the emergency switch and the battery circuit breaker trips instantly for complete power cutoff. Now let's talk about how to use it. The CUBIX100 is natively compatible with our 48-volt energy storage ecosystem. I'll break this down into two practical scenarios. Thanks to our DC ESS UL 9540 compliance, you get massive flexibility with your setup. The CUBIX100 communicates seamlessly via CAN or RS485 protocols. Just pair it with any UL 1741 certified inverter and your DIY system is fully solid and compliant. From engine individual components to the entire setup. This solution is fully integrated package featuring the CUBIX100 battery, an enclosed cabinet and a 5 kW all-in-one inverter. The entire system has passed the ACESS UL9540 certification as a single unit, ensuring full closed-loop compliance from the battery straight to the inverter. It's perfect for users looking for a true one-stop shop. The entire setup comes directly from ECO-WORTHY, and our team handles your after-sales support under one unified warranty. Alright, let's wrap this up. The CUBIX100 officially achieved dual UL9540 system level certification for both DC and AC systems. This means legal installation and passing North American AHJ inspections, meeting insurance underwriting requirements, eligibility for government tax credits and subsidies, true safety by passing UL9540A fire spreading test, tailored solutions for both DIY and off-grid homeowners. Click the link below the video for full specs and buying options. Got more questions about the UL9540 standard? Let us know in the comment section and let's chat. Plus, it's giveaway time. Simply like this video and leave a comment below. In 1 month, we'll pick one lucky winner right here in the comment section to win a free ECO-WORTHY CUBIX100. Good luck, everyone!